Hello class, welcome back for another Python file read example. This is number 5. Can you believe that? All right, if you recall, we had a try with inside a try. So I attempt to do something within here. We're going to do something a little differently. I'm going to close this down. We're going to mash up a try with a function. So let's go look at number 5. Everything's exactly the same that you've seen, but the difference is when we are trying to convert the salary, which is a string, to a float, we're going to call a newly created function called string to float. So let's go look for it. And here we are. A string comes in. We try to convert the string to a float and put it into here. If it works, for example, 42,500 is able to be converted to a float. We put it in here and we jump out over the except and we send back a numeric 42,500 out, and then it gets assigned here. If we have 42,500x come in, we know we cannot convert 42,500x to a float, so we come into the value error. We set the return value to 0 and we write out to the screen. So now we have a piece of code that we can actually share with other people. In comes a string and we attempt to convert it to a float using the try. Something goes wrong, we return a 0 and we give a message. If it works, we skip over here and out comes the value. Let's run it. Oh, before we do that, let's put 42,500x, hit file, save. Let's go here, let's do run. We go here, and there it is. And then I come over here. We correct the data, make it beautiful. We hit save. We run the program. We should not get any exceptions, and we get the data. So now all we did was put this into a piece of code, and we can share it among our friends and fellow Python learners.